Eric Mercia. I'm the CEO here at Pit Crew Technologies in San Antonio, Texas. And I wanted to welcome you to our very first segment of Tech Tip Tuesdays. Tech Tip Tuesday is something that we've had on our minds to do for a very long time, something I'm very passionate about, and it all revolves around getting solid information out to our users, things they can actually use and apply in their day-to-day transactions, utilizing technology, and really information that's going to be useful to anybody, not just businesses, but anybody in general who utilizes computers. So with the heightened awareness lately on security, I figured that would be a good place for us to start with. And it all kind of stems from a question I get asked on a constant basis, which is, hey Eric, I don't have antivirus at home. How do I get antivirus on my computers at home that aren't supported by you guys? And I usually get a lot of surprise when I tell people that they are able to get antivirus for free. And what I mean by that is not some free dumbed down version of a product, but actual real antivirus via their internet service provider. Most people don't know, but the fee you're already paying to your internet provider also provides you with a lot of additional services and things, and one of those happens to be antivirus. So without delaying much further, I'll go ahead and show you if you're an AT&T customer or you're a Spectrum or Charter or whatever they're called today customer, you'll be able to log in and access that information. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously go out to AT&T.com in this particular case. I'm already logged in, so I'll go ahead and go to my profile. That's where you're going to want to go. Okay, so once you're loaded up and logged into AT&T, if you click on the My AT&T area and go to Accounts and Services, it should bring you to a section that looks very similar to this. Now, if you click this plus next to My Benefits and Rewards, and we go to Explore Benefits, you're going to see a couple of different things in here, such as some offers for free movies, some really cool discounts on Topgolf and things like that, which are all really great things that you're already paying for anyway. You probably didn't even know they existed, so I highly encourage you to check that out. Now from here, in order to get to the security software, if you click again on that My AT&T area, go down to My Internet, and then click on that, and then go to View Plan Details and click on that. You're going to get presented with a page that looks just like this. If you scroll down just a little bit towards the bottom, in the very bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see Get McAfee, Get Security. If you click on that, that will step you through the process of getting your free antivirus subscription that is available to you through AT&T as an AT&T customer. In the case of Spectrum, you're going to log in to your Spectrum account. If you come here to the virtual assistant and type in Antivirus, it's going to pop open a little window. Inside of that window, it's going to tell you about how they include McAfee Antivirus and Family Protection with your subscription. And then you're going to want to click on How do I set up McAfee for my computer? How do I set up McAfee security? Once you're inside of there, it's going to give you a link along with a few instructions that you need to go through in order to get that installed on your computer. I really hope you found today's tech tip helpful and something that's going to protect you and your family from all the threats that are out there on the internet. Feel free to share it around. This will be posted on social media. You can like the post, share the links, send your friends and family members the video for them to watch as well, and learn how they also can avail of something they're already paying for, and just increase the overall security of their home network and their systems and protect their sensitive data from the rest of the world. Thank you.